Iterating over a number py array. Is there a less verbose alternative to this? I came up with this, which saves one indentation but is still pretty ugly. I'm hoping for something that looks like this pseudocode. Does anything like that exist?
I think you're looking for the end enumerate. Regarding the performance, it is a bit slower than a list comprehension. If you are worried about the performance, you could optimize a bit further by looking at the implementation of end enumerate, which does two things, converting to an array and looping. If you know you have an array, you can call the .chords attribute of the flat iterator.
If you only need the indices, you could try number py.endIndex.
Scene Diter. Y equals 3 would not work, use y asterisk equals 0 and y plus equals 3 instead.
I see that no good deception for using number py.enditer is here. So, I am gonna go with 1. According to number py version 1.21 dev 0 manual, the iterator object enditer, introduced in number py 1.6, provides many flexible ways to visit all the elements of one or more arrays in a systematic fashion. I have to calculate mean underscore squared underscore error, and I have already calculate y underscore predicted, and I have y underscore actual from the Boston dataset, available with Sklern. Hope this helps, smiley face. For further explanation visit.
If you learned this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing.